Amines, first property, that is basic nature, is over. Second is alkylation and acylation with mechanism. Therefore, I am going to explain first the alkylation, the mechanism. Based on that mechanism, you do two examples what is mentioned there. One with the ethylamine, which is a primary amine, and another with methylamine, CH3NH2, that is also my primary amine. How these are getting converted to secondary amine, tertiary amine, and quaternary ammonium salt. Therefore, first I will explain this. You write this in your notebook. After that, try to do with ethylamine and methylamine. Total 5 equations. After writing, correct it by referring the textbook and let me know the marks out of 5. All the 3 types of aliphatic amines, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines, undergo alkylation when treated with an alkyl halide. Alkyl halide can be represented as Rx. Now, when an aliphatic amine is heated with an alkyl halide, the hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom in the amine get replaced by alkyl groups. This primary amine first changes to secondary amine, that is this one. This is a primary amine. This first changes to a secondary amine. This is RRNH. The lone pair should be indicated because we have to use this lone pair in the last step. And secondary amine further changes into tertiary amine. This is the secondary amine. When it is again treated with RH, it changes into tertiary, that is RRRN. That the tertiary amine having no hydrogen atom, make a note, here there is no hydrogen atom in order to replace, but it will again undergo reaction with alkyl halide. Then the tertiary amine having no hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom adds a molecule of alkyl halide through the lone pair present on the nitrogen atom. Therefore, this lone pair is used by the Rx. Next, Rx, when it is treated, it forms all the 4 R groups are attached to the nitrogen 1. This one by a lone pair. And this is known as, this salt is known as quaternary salt. This is known as alkylation. Other 2 questions which normally used to ask for the ISC examination. Ethylamine, when treated with ethyl bromide, what happens? And similarly, methylamine when treated with methyl chloride, what happens? Write balanced equation. These both constitute 5 equations. Please do it by yourself and refer the text for correcting the answers.